Hi there folks, as promised in our last video, we are going to dive into the complex chaotic labyrinth of cryptography. It's K and L here, let's roll. Let us define what cryptography is. Cryptography is the study of exchanging secure, encrypted messages or data between two or more parties. More generally, cryptography is about constructing and analyzing protocols that prevent third parties or the public from reading private messages. The origin of cryptography is usually dated from about 2000 BC, with the Egyptian practice of hieroglyphics. These consisted of complex pictograms, the full meaning of which was only known to an elite few. Cryptography includes techniques such as microdots, merging words with images, and other ways to hide information in storage or transit. The crypto, in the word cryptocurrency, means secret, in Greek, which gives you a clue as to what the field of cryptography is all about. The sender encrypts the message, which obscures its content to a third party, and the receiver decrypts the message, making it legible again. It is important to understand the basic terminology of cryptography. Encryption is a process of converting original readable text to a random sequence of bits, using mathematical functions, ciphers, also known as cryptographic algorithms. Key is a small amount of information required to induce the output of the cryptographic algorithm. It makes a process of encryption and decryption possible. While decryption, as you may have guessed, is an inverse process of converting encrypted information to the original, readable text. Cryptography is used in our everyday lives, whenever you are typing something in Google, logging into your bank, or simply sending a photo of your dog. Mainly, blockchain utilizes two types of cryptographic algorithms, asymmetric key and hash functions. Hash functions appear in almost all cybersecurity applications. It is a mathematical function that converts random input into an encrypted output of a fixed length. Thus, regardless of the original amount of data, its hash will always be the same size. Moreover, they are one-way functions, which prevents users with access to output decode original message or file. Also, a slight change in the data will cause the result to be absolutely different, called avalanche effect. It is the backbone of blockchain technology, which makes it impenetrable. Another feature of the hash function is its ability to compress data of indefinite size into a small string of text, therefore saving time and power to process it. Now, let's have a look at the asymmetric key algorithm. Asymmetric key cryptography utilizes a private key, produced by a random number, and a public key, calculated by an irreversible algorithm. It has the advantage of having separate keys, which can be transferred over unsecured channels. However, a major disadvantage of it is its low speed and unsatisfactory encryption strength. Together, the hash function and asymmetric key constitute the foundation for the blockchain. They make it possible for blocks to be securely linked and ensure the reliability of data. Cryptography is key to the security of the blockchain ledger. Each transaction is recorded on the blockchain using encrypted data. Each user can access their own information to buy and sell crypto securely, using their public and private key. With cryptographic hashing, blockchains record root hashes with each transaction securely coded within them. Cryptographic hashing allows blockchains to store huge numbers of transactions and protects those transactions from hackers. It makes online transactions safe, verifiable, and scalable. In short, cryptography truly makes blockchain unstoppable. To summarize, cryptography is the study of exchanging secure, encrypted messages or data between two or more parties. It allows digital currency transactions to be anonymous, secure, and trustless, with no bank or other intermediary required, as cryptography gives us the tools to encrypt, send cryptocurrency safely, and record transactions over time. Thank you for watching our video. Support by subscribing to the channel and pressing that like button below.